Another one.
Say my intro.
Hi, welcome back to A Real Journeys. Welcome back.
She's silly. Welcome back. Hey, loves. Welcome back to the channel, A Real Journey.
Stay positive.
That's right. You heard my son. Stay positive. He always doing stuff like saying stuff like that. Janae, what are you doing? Have a seat, Nene. This ain't no video Vixen on Sesame Street dance team. All right, welcome back to my channel. Today is video number 4 of our series, All I Do Is Win in 2019. And so if you have not looked at my video, the first one where I went over the 7 steps that I've used in the past and I still use to bring success to my life and to stay positive, and then definitely check that out. I will put the link here. Also, if you have not subscribed, subscribe, leave a comment and leave some tips for other people that might help them as far as what you do in order to stay positive, and what do you do to be successful in your life and whatever you consider success to be. And today, one of the steps that I do to be successful is I make vision boards. Vision boards, I'm new to this. And one of my other videos, I will post that here. I showed you pictures of my vision boards, and I said, don't drag me, they raggedy. They were my first ones. I did 2. One was just, an actual vision board. The other one was just affirmation. It was like half of the board was affirmations and the other half was just positive quotes that I had found, and I put them up on the board. And so I was just learning. So that was my practice board. So I am going to show you my board now, so that way you can see, and if you and then let me know when you do your vision board and how it turned out. Send me a picture of it. I'd love to see what you did. And because it's all about how creative you can be and what you want on your vision board. So here we go. Let's go on the journey and look at my vision board. Okay, y'all. So y'all met my other children. This is my oldest beautiful daughter. She wanted to be a part of the video and be a cameo, make a cameo also. So she's holding my vision board. And as you can see, it says 2019 vision board. And on this vision board, I have make monthly. This is what I want my goals to make monthly. This is my part financial freedom, what I plan to do, raising my credit score, because it dropped significantly since I'm in school, but that's all right. We'll get it together. And I put something motivational, make things happen, peace. Right here I says healthy and safe delivery. This is my ultrasound pictures of our on the way son. And then I have the more positive energy you put out, the more positive energy you'll get back. Love. I have a picture of my family when my husband and I had gotten married this past August. Just to remind myself, is these 4 is why I get up and do what I do every day. My husband too, but he grown, so it's more so for the kids. Success is key. I believe in my skills and abilities. I'm currently a student. I go to school online at Ashford. As I always say at the end of my videos, I'm irrefutable, BKA, better known as I'm impossible denied. Once I graduate school, and then, like I said, I believe in my skills and my abilities, then, of course, all of that plus walking in faith and saying my affirmations and sticking to my goals, I have abundance and prosperity. That's where I see myself currently. That's where I am aiming for every day, and I feel it. This is my YouTube channel goals, to reach that 1,000 subscriber quota with the 4,000 plus watch time. As I mentioned in one of my videos, I am starting to do business endeavors. I'm starting that back up, doing some work from home stuff. So that's why I have the entrepreneur with the lady at the bottom. She's thinking, and it's like enterprise, setup, venture owner, business, risk. This is a picture of a business, office work at home. Something that I will eventually have mine look like. I would like to have my own. Josiah, you in the light. You cause the shadows, dude. Thank you.
Shadows.
I don't. But this is a picture of a daycare, because I will eventually own one. I plan on within the next few months to a year and own an Infiniti QX30. That is my dream car. I've loved Infinitis since I was a little girl. So one day I'll get it. So that's what I'm working on. And then of course, once I obtain all of this, I'll have freedom, reach my financial freedom. I'll have freedom with my time. More girls trips, friends trips with my friends. My husband, we went on a honeymoon, but like I said, we just gotten married. We have been married for, how old are you, Paris? 11. Can't even remember. Stop. Remember how old my oldest is. So our oldest is 11. So we've been together for 12 years. And we been married for September, October, November, December, January, February, 6 months. It'll be 6 months on the 3rd, which is in 2 days, because today is February 1st. So we did something for our honeymoon, but we want to do something bigger and better, of course, but we did something. We had, spent a lot of time together that we don't get much of, so that was good. Also, a family vacation. We haven't had a big family vacation in a very long time. We don't get to go on family vacations that often. Well, I should say this. We only been on one, and that was to visit my mother-in-law and my father-in-law in Chicago, which was fun. That was the first time the kids ever went out of town, so that was fun and stuff. But we haven't been on other than that, we haven't been on a family vacation. And then the last part of my board is not Paris. Lean it back. You keep leaning it up. Okay, thank you, Paris. The next part is be your beautiful self. So this is me many years ago in my early 20s, and pretty much I have this up because my hair at that time was really healthy, and so that's just like a reminder to stay on my hair goals. And my hair is still, it's not bad, it's just I want it to be better. I want it to grow faster like it used to, and it's not that it's short. It's my hair is like the same length as it goes down to my collarbone. I'm natural, so I don't have a relaxer, and what was I saying? I don't have a relaxer, and so when I, stretch it out, it's down to my collarbone, so it's probably even longer if I was to have it blow dried out and flat iron, which I haven't gotten in years because the last time I did, the lady burnt my hair. It smelled bad, and I was just mad. Okay, and the last part of my board is our house. We are working on buying a house, and since we married now, so the next step is to buy a house. We married, we already had the kids, so we getting a house. And so a little backwards, but that's cool. And stuff, we do things untraditionally. It's 2019. So that's that, and this house is just a picture of what I'm looking for. I've always wanted that long southern porch and a big backyard, an attached garage. I love stone siding on a house. And of course, I want it to be spacious and have a lot of bedrooms for our family. So this is my vision board. So if you want some ideas, hopefully this gave you some ideas as far as what you would like to have your vision board look like. So loves, as you can see, as you saw my vision board, hopefully that inspired you. Please leave a comment, hit the like button, and subscribe. And I will be back with what is this? This is video 4. Thank you, Quattro. This is video 4, and so we have about 3 or 4 more left of this series. Also, I will be posting a video next week, so look out for it. I'm going to start doing hair videos because I also do hair. Like I said, I'm a mother of 4. I'm going to teach you all how to do all the things that I do that could help you save money, and let's keep those coins in our pockets so we could be more productive and more prosperous this year, because 2019 is our year. We making a come up. We winning this year. Like DJ Khaled said in his song, like I play on the beginning of all of these videos. All I do is win, win, win no matter what. Got money on my mind. I will never give up. So keep yourself in that mind frame, because you can do it. I've done it. I'm doing it now, and you can do it too. So as you can see, my daughter's hair, she has her hair in twists. I have to redo it, so because these are old. She's had them in for about a month. Me too. Yeah, my baby has hers hair in twist too, and it's time to redo mine. This is a crochet style that I did. If you look at my other videos, it was a lot longer. The hair was a lot longer. I chopped it and created a whole new style. So I've been wearing it like this for just a week. So in my next video, look out for it next week. I am going to show you how to do a vixen crochet. Not the ones where you see it's braided all the way around and stuff. This is a different crochet because sometimes I want to wear my hair flipped this way. Sometimes I want to wear my hair flipped the other way. And sometimes I want to pull my crochet up. So this is a different crochet that I'm going to show you how I do it. So next time if you do your own hair, or even if you go to a professional or just your home girl around the corner who knows how to do hair and stuff, get it where you can fit it. Go ahead and watch that next video. Be on the lookout for it. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, so that way you'll know when that video will post. And I also am going to do a nail video, not acrylic nails because my nails are long, as you can see. Shh. But, and I can't wear acrylics because it burns my fingers. The chemicals burn my nails like really bad. I could feel it all the way, just like a burning sensation up my arm. So in that video, watch out for that. I'm going to show you how to do non-acrylic nails and how to pretty much press ons and how to make it last, because every now and then I like to do my hands, give my hands the look like I went to a nail salon, and I didn't. I just did it myself, and I just don't want plain fingers. I want my nails to look really, really nice. So therefore, look out for that. That'll be on, I will post that next week as well. So, like I said, hit that subscription button, hit that notification button, leave a comment, like, and share. And in the meantime, loves, remember to tell yourself, I am irrefutable. BKA, I'm impossible to deny. What do I say?
I don't know.
Peace.
Another one. Yeah. I stay down my day one.